More of Pete's car, the old Speedster. I'm not sure how I feel about the wood screws holding the dashboard together. The black panel looks a little bit rough around the edges too, to me. I don't know what anybody else says about it, but it could fit a little better. Firewall is a whole different story. A big gaping hole here. It's all loose, it's not attached anymore. Looks like it's had about 3 steering columns in it. Nobody ever patched any of the holes. That's where the hood hinge exits. It's pretty, isn't it? And I don't think any water would come through any of these places either. It's, you know, there's nothing larger than about a 7-inch hole. I just don't get it. What happened to this thing? This whole firewall has been cut, and this body was bolted to the chassis. Obviously, this stuff was not going to get repaired. It's not even attached. And Water Leak City. Just yeah, out there is the front tire. This stuff has to be glassed up. The car is going to be full of water. There's a slot up here under the dash that's cut too. You can't leave things like this. All the glass is completely blown away from this front wheel well. It's just flapping. More paint detail. Yeah, you gotta do it right to the edge. You know, big. It's the left front wheel opening. This air bubbles in the glass, and the paint's just falling off. This stuff, not good workmanship. Like I said, I think it was at the Helen Keller Customs. I don't think you can see it in the picture. All kinds of little wiggly lines showing up on this car. It's old fiberglass. Doesn't help it any.